And the race is on. Shining Gold, Danny Phantom, Lifeline, rushing up is Lucky Touch. Down on the inside is Winking Eye. Danny Phantom, Lucky Touch. Down on the inside, Lifeline, racing in third, running for Shining Gold, and Winking Eye is still running at the back of the pack. The lead is taken over now by the favorite Lucky Touch, followed by Danny Phantom, Lifeline, Shining Gold, and Winking Eye is still running at the tail of the field. Last 450 and going to the last 400. The favorite Lucky Touch, this time by some 2 lengths. Danny Phantom is running in second, Shining Gold down on the inside, rushing up Winking Eye, Lifeline, and nearing the last 150 meters more to run. Lucky Touch, followed now by Shining Gold, and finally at the finish line from the stable of Mr. Jun Almeida, Lucky Touch, Shining Gold, Danny Phantom, Winking Eye, and Lifeline comes last.